Hello, warriors against stress. Welcome back to Drug Me, your sanctuary for mindful living. I'm Mr. Drugs, and today we're going beyond the substance, coping strategies for stress. Understanding stress begins with identifying its sources. Let's explore this crucial step. We'll identify common stressors in our daily lives, like puzzle pieces that, once recognized, help us see the bigger picture of well-being. Now let's venture into the world of mindfulness and relaxation techniques. Discover how mindful moments and relaxation techniques can be your allies in the battle against stress. It's like creating pockets of calm in the midst of life's storms. Never underestimate the power of connection in alleviating stress. We'll explore the importance of building support networks. It's like having a team of superheroes standing by to help you face challenges head-on. A healthy lifestyle forms the foundation for stress resilience. Let's dive into some habits that make a difference. Discover how adequate sleep, balanced nutrition, and regular exercise contribute to a robust defense against stress. It's like nurturing the roots of a sturdy tree. Thank you for joining this journey to conquer stress. If you found these strategies helpful, hit that like button, share it with your stress-busting comrades, and subscribe for more mindful living tips here at Drug Me. I'm Mr. Drugs, reminding you that you are stronger than you think. Until next time.